Yeah, it's gonna be a fun little day. We're currently at a dump.
Fry landfill.
Fry landfill is where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. We are, I'm sure you can see it back there. We're actually getting rid of a boat here. And good old Doc here said, hey man, let's get hit by a Dodge. Unbelievable. Can't take you anywhere. Can't take you anywhere, man.
Some things you gotta do when you gotta do them.
Oh, look, there's a big old windmill thingy.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. They don't need our scrap. They got a windmiller. So, yeah. So, Doc has this boat. Obviously, you've seen Doc in other videos of mine. He's the one that has my boat as well. That's still on 1.5 million freaking pieces because it's not done. It's never going to get done. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But he has this boat that he tore apart and he did a whole bunch of stuff with, and it's junk now. He doesn't need it anymore. So I was over at his shop this morning, and he said, hey man, come on for a ride with me. Might make a good video. You can watch me dump a boat and see him crush it possibly. So if you guys are into or excited about seeing destruction, we might be able to see some destruction today, guys. We might be able to see a boat get crushed. Specifically, that big old Wellcraft back there. Hopefully you guys can see a clear picture of it. But yeah, so I guess we're just gonna wait. He went to take a leak, you know. And when he's out, I guess we're gonna drive maybe that way, I'm assuming. I've never been here, so I don't freaking know. This is all new to me. This is all new to me.
Downhill and up the big mountain.
We're going up that mountain?
We're going up that big
Where
mountain.
that truck is?
Yep.
I'm scared of hills.
Don't be afeared.
Small vehicle drop off ahead 300 feet.
Yep, straight off the cliff. You're in the truck. I gotta get the small vehicle out of here.
Wow, thanks, bud. Thank you so much. Wow. So I guess we're going way up there. Oh, there's two windmilly things.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, power partners. Look at that. There's two of them.
Views too out over the Susquehanna River.
Really? No kidding.
Yeah.
Well, look at that, guys. You're gonna see some. You're gonna go to a dump to see some beautiful views. Isn't that something? Never thought of that, huh?
You'll see the Wrightsville Bridge and the islands up there.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, that'll be interesting. I'm actually kind of excited now. I thought we were just gonna dump a boat and maybe see it crushed. Are we gonna see it crushed?
Yep.
We're gonna see it crushed too, boys and girls. This should be fun. After we go up the real big hill.
We'll have to see if his Duramax can pull this hill up.
It's an old piece of junk Duramax.
It's only got.
Look at their wind turbine thingies. Is this where you dump all the time? Oh, okay. Look at them guys. Them guys are making some power. Dumping area. I want that for my my tow vehicles. That big dump thing, you know, with the big knobbies on it.
Up the hill, brother.
Yeah, we're going up the hill. As long as we don't go off the hill, I'm okay. It's when we go off the hill that we're gonna have an issue.
Well, it's when we gotta shoot between them blades. We gotta drive between them real quick so they don't catch the truck.
Oh, do we now? Do we? Oh, look, my phone has reception. We're back on the system again here. Well, would you look at the birdies?
Would you look at that?
Would you just look at that? Oh yeah. Turkey Hill Dairy, way over there. Dude, them things are huge. Wow, check that out. Check that freaking out, guys. Look at this boat. Look at that. That is a beautiful view of the Susquehanna River right there. Wrightsville Bridge and everything. That's a pretty cool sight, guys. That is pretty freaking wicked. Not gonna lie. And then we have the dump. We have a beautiful view, and then we have a bunch of shit. There's the boat. Doc's gonna unhook it, and then they're gonna crush the hell out of it. Destruction at its finest. It does have a very pungent smell. There's a very pungent smell here, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me. The wind's blowing a little bit. I don't have my windsock in the camera right now. So, you know, hopefully you guys can hear me though. But we're gonna get some good footage here. He's got the boat all unstrapped. He's gonna swing it around, I guess, and maybe back. I'm assuming he's gonna back it up. I don't know. Not sure what he's gonna actually do here. Woo, doggy, here we go. We're gonna see a show today, boys. What the heck? Oh my God, look, he's going for it. He's going for it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, boat. Oh my God, look at, dude, look at that thing. Holy shit. Yep, that boat's going up the hill. What's up? Oh my God. Oh my God, guys, look at that boat getting torn to shreds. Torn to freaking shreds.
I got the big boys coming around.
Oh, that one up at the top.
Yep.
He's like, bring that thing up here. We're gonna have some fun. I don't think it's gonna float anymore. Nope. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Wow.
That boat's still holding.
That boat, look at the front bow. That thing's still.
That's a Wellcraft Nova.
That's a Wellcraft Nova being smashed up there, and that thing's holding up pretty good.
Like 60 tons.
Yeah, 60 tons on it. Well, that sucks. Oh yeah, there we go.
It's not giving up.
It isn't, man. Look at him. He's trying too.
There it goes.
There, now it's ripped apart. Yep, there it goes. And that's how you split a boat in half, guys. Well, if you guys have anything to dump, what's this place called again?
Fry landfill.
Do they just dump everything here? You can dump anything here?
A lot of refuse comes in here.
Oh, okay.
All through the area, through the county. Look at this view.
There you go, guys. If you have anything to dump, you get to see a beautiful view while you take your trash out.
You can get trashed up here.
Oh, yeah, I bet. I bet.
Great guys. Nice personalities.
Yeah.
Everybody doing their job.
They probably know you very well from all the boats you've brought up here, bud.
Very safety minded.
Well, that's good.
Just a great crew that does a fabulous job.
Awesome. Doing burnouts. We're back at the shop, and we're going to be pulling a 454 engine. Actually, I'm just here to stop in, but they're pulling a 454 engine out of this boat, and this is how they're doing it, which is pretty interesting, to be honest. So we crushed a boat today, and now they're pulling a 454 out of this mofo right here. Boat life, I guess? I don't know.
Way forward.
All right, hold on. All right, tilt back first.
Oh my God, that thing is fucking bending.
All right, stop.
Oh, man.
All right, stop.
Dude, that thing is...
It's got a hell of a curve.
That has a curve on it like you would not believe. What is going on here?
Boat pulling 101. That's why I told him I usually.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, I see why you do it with the big blocks.
Lift up.
Oh, I just thought... Oh, she's off.
Just lift up. Keep going. A little higher. Right there, now stop.
That's some sketchy, sketchy stuff. Whoa, there she goes. There she blows.
Stop.
Holy smokes.
Up. Stop.
Boating 101.
Side shift. All right, lift up. Stop. Okay.
There she goes, boys. Ooh, doggy. That's all she wrote.
Go slow, you're gonna need momentum to get out that turn. Right, when this comes back, grab a hold of the back of the motor and keep it swinging. Straighten your wheel out a little bit.
If that isn't entertainment, I don't know what is. Let's look inside here. Oh, not too shabby, not too shabby. That's how you pull a motor out.
Get him over in the field, over standing like this, and I just back up, sling her off like I did, right? And then he come crushing everything else. We go back to the thing, and the guy goes, "Is that guy in the passenger seat with you some kind of celebrity mechanic or something?" I said, "Yeah, that's Diablo Formula Racing." He goes, "He's doing something with his car with his kid or something like that." I said, "Yeah, that's my grandson." He goes, "What?" I said, "That's my son, ex-son-in-law." He goes, "What?" I said, "Yeah." He goes, "I didn't know, man." He said, "All the young guys up on the hill are creaming their jeans, going fucking crazy on the radio. That's celebrity mechanic. That's Diablo Formula Racing." So all the old guys are going, "Who the fuck's Diablo Formula Racing? What are you talking about?"
Bunch of boys creaming their pants about
He
you.
said, "He's celebrity mechanic, man.
It happens from time to time.
Famous, world
Nice.
famous," and going. And he's like, he goes, "I never know what to expect you when you come in here, man."
Exactly. Don't expect no one. That's just not happening.
Definitely gotta say thank you for that, for them guys up there. What is it, Fry's?
Fry's
Right?
Landfill.
Fry's Landfill. Thank you for that. That was, didn't know. We were just up there having fun and dumping that boat and stuff, as you guys seen in the beginning of the video. So big shout out to those guys as well. Like I said in the one part of the video, if you guys need to dump anything here in the area, go there. They're pretty freaking awesome people up there. So I got to go get Zach.
Yep.
I think we're all done here.
Yep.
Yeah, got the motor out. We crashed a boat, crashed into a boat kind of.
Trashed the boat.
Trashed a boat, crashed a boat.
Then we're starting to rebuild and restore one.
And now you need to well, you are, not me.
Yep.
I helped out a little bit while I was
There you
waiting,
go.
but yeah.
You got your hands dirty today.
Yeah, a little bit. It was fun. It was fun. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a little filler video, nothing crazy. My kid had a half day of school, so I want to stay close to his area this morning, and I decided to come over here to Mannheim to see Doc and everything, and just kill some time while I was waiting for him to get off the school bus. But we're gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Snapchat, Diablo Formula. Enjoy the rest of your day. Deuces.